I'm about to upgrade you with a superhuman brain. This 37 violates 3 tennis rules and 1 law of chemistry. This is how elite memory athletes encode numbers. You're about to learn the memory trick that rewires your brain and into a memory powerhouse. This is number 37, Camila Giorgi. And that racket is not regulation. Don't forget numbers. This is what happens when you train your brain the right way. Every number you've ever seen has a story waiting inside it. Character, movement, emotion, and elements of raw energy. Camila Giorgi raises racket. Number 37, CG, begins when Camila Giorgi smashes, and the racket ignites. Smashing the flame racket. This is your 37, CG, in the Dominic System. Follow if you want your mind to be this steady. 37 is smashing instant rubidium ignition. Rubidium reacts instantly. No buildup. No warning. Just, boom. One swing. And the racket turns into a firework launcher. Subscribe to train memory at this level. Numbers don't stick because they're boring. But when you turn them into people with personality, everything becomes easier. With speed, precision, and creative power. Say it with me. 37 CG Camila Giorgi smashing flame racket rubidium. Your brain loves contrast. Subscribe if you want elemental memory power. Teachers hate this technique because it works faster than memorization. This takes seconds to learn and replaces hours of memorization. You were taught to memorize. This teaches your brain to remember and recall. Say it out loud. 37 CG Camila Giorgi smashing flame racket rubidium. This is how memory champions train recall. Practice your PAO and element. Who is the person? P. What is the action? A. What is the object? O. What is the element? E. Yes, correct, good. It is 37 CG Camila Giorgi smashing flame racket rubidium. What the Dominic System does. You take any pair of digits and convert them into a person with one action and one object. Dominic O'Brien, the 8-time world memory champion, developed this coding system. Many numbers follow the alphabet. 0 is O, 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, 4 is D, 5 is E, 6 is S, 7 is G, 8 is H, and 9 is N. Note that the numbers 0, 6, and 9 do not follow the alphabet pattern. Example, 27 becomes B, G, Becky G. Once you assign a person to a number, it never changes. Save this. Comment the next number. Follow daily. Build a memory that feels cinematic, structured, and unshakable. Hit like, subscribe, and follow this full Dominic System journey. Elemental purity, each number matches an atomic element, giving your memory scenes a visual superpower. What to do next? Start practicing with pairs of digits. Which number from 0 to 99, would you like to master, and what element do you think it belongs to? Comment below. What you saw today is the doorway. The real transformation begins when you walk through the door, one PAO at a time.